How to do incline dumbbell bench press. Adjust the seat until 35 degrees, grabbing the weights with a pronated grip. Sit upright. Sit the dumbbells on the quad muscles, then flick the weights back with your legs until you are flat on the bench. Make sure your feet are just outside shoulder width apart. Feet are planted on the ground for additional power, knees pointing slightly outwards. Push your chest to the ceiling, shoulder blades pushing down towards the glutes. Breathing in, bracing the core muscles. Elbows roughly 45 to 65 degrees from the body, and also wrists should be under the elbows. Then push up on the concentric motion at a medium pace, breathing out with a slight pause to contract the front delts, upper chest, and abdominal muscles. Make sure not to lock the elbow joints at the top of the lift. Then coming down on the eccentric, slow and controlled with a full range of motion, breathing in with a slight pause to contract the pecs, front delts, triceps, and abdominal muscles. Then continuing each repetition with correct form and technique.